All right, friends. Today, in your small group, you're going to be talking about solving equations by square roots. So it says new inverse operation. When a variable is squared, x to the second power, you can square root both sides to solve for the variable. So if you square something, the opposite, so to undo squaring, you take the square root. And remember that these equations can have more than one solution. So steps to solve: locate the variable, isolate x squared by using inverse operation and remove the constant coefficient, take the square root of both sides, and check your solutions. So in the first one, we're going to take the square root of both of these. So I'm asking myself, what times itself? It gives me 36. So 6 times 6 is 36, so x equals 6, positive 6, or negative 6, because negative 6 times negative 6 also equals 36. For this one here, I'm going to take the square root of 289, which just means what number times itself gives me 289. Now, I might not know this off the top of my head, but I do know some things. I know that 15 times 15 is 225, so it's higher than that, so I could try 16 times 16. That's 36, 96, 6, 1, 256. So I'm thinking that's 17. So y equals positive or negative 17, right? And because it should be a perfect square, and so if 256 is the next highest, then I'm thinking 17 will be the next one. 121, so what times itself? So when I take the square root, I'm asking what times itself will give me 121? Well, m can equal positive or negative 11. Square root of 400, so what times itself will give me 400? And so in this case, 17 was 289, then, so thinking about this, so I'm going to try 20. 20 times 20, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. Looks like 20 works, so positive or negative 20 is equal to k. Then we have here a squared. The square root of 0 is just 0, so a equals 0, and it's not positive nor negative, so we're going to take that. The square root of r, right, r squared, square root of 196. So 196, well, 225 is 15, so 196, r equals positive or negative 14. And we could check that. 14 times 14, that's 16, that's 56. 4, 1, 6, 9, yep. And then here you have two steps. So you're going to first add the 10. So you have 49, you have x squared equals 49. The square root of 49, what times itself gives you 49? X equals 7. And then over here, you're going to just take away 24. The difference between 24 and 33. Let's see, the difference between that bar row, 13, that's 9. The square root of 9 is m equals positive or negative 3. So that's what you should be working on today in your small group, and this will be just done by you because I will be meeting with other people today. All right.